you want to do the hey everyone, welcome back?
Okay. Hey everyone, welcome back. So, where we last left off, we were talking about change impact. And we had some fun with a really beautiful PowerPoint slide that looked, it scared us a bit, but we're going to try out actually creating a plan on a page today.
Yeah.
An integrated project change, comms, training, and measurement plan. Again, looking to ChatGPT to be our advisor.
On that note, we can formulate the plan. Maybe we can ask ChatGPT to formulate a plan
On a page.
on a page. Yeah, let's do it.
Perfect. Let's see if they can do it.
Okay, so let's turn to ChatGPT. Here is the prompt. It's a reminder that we're doing our BPO outsourcing and that we have a 4 months to implement all this wonderful stuff, and we're asking it to provide a simplified integrated plan on a page for project change, communications, training, and measurement activities. Now, of course, as consultants, we love the table format,
Yes.
and we love just something that's just easy and concise to look at. So let's go ahead, let's click go and see what it comes up with.
Now, normally we're seeing really, really big plans in Excel. I've seen up to on very big initiatives, up to 80,000 lines.
80,000 lines.
Yeah, indeed. One of my first biggest engagements more than 10 years ago now. But what I'm really noticing is, especially when communicating to senior leaders, it's so important to have just a neat plan on a page,
Yep.
give us the key deliverables, milestones in one spot. So
Yep.
see if it can do it.
Okay, so the output is not in table format, but that's okay.
It's not in table format, but you know what? Just initial glances, it's looking like it's starting to give us some decent information to consider. It's a little annoying that you'd have to then kind of transpose this to a PowerPoint or Excel.
Yeah.
Now, I know we didn't have the best of luck with PowerPoint previously. If we can actually just flash up our last...
Absolutely. For those that need a reminder of our beautiful PowerPoint, this was the
one slider for a very senior leader to understand the key change impacts. So I'm a bit worried if we use PowerPoint today.
Absolutely. So let's. So how do you feel then about doing Excel?
Yeah, let's go for Excel.
So if you joined us on our last video, this spreadsheet would be pretty familiar. The ones that had the stakeholders, the stakeholder groups, our lovely engagement table, and now we have a new sheet, plan on a page.
So the structure of it's really looking at, we have a 4-month window to deploy. Yes, we should have at least 4 to 6 weeks post-deployment, but we won't go too far there. But nonetheless, we want to see kind of a week-by-week and month-by-month view against the key swim lanes of project change, communications, training, and measurement. What are the key deliverables and activities?
Great. Let's turn this into a prompt and rock and roll. Okay, so we have uploaded our stakeholder list with the new plan on the page tab into the Code Interpreter ChatGPT4, and we have this prompt. And of course, we will always place this prompt into the description in case you want to follow along with us. Okay, it is downloaded. Let's check it out.
It's not perfect, that's for sure. Maybe the trouble is we're going week by week, which is too granular. That could be potentially an issue. But you know what? I think some of the sequencing looks a bit okay. Like for a weird reason, it misses week 1. I'm not sure. But for week 2, identifying stakeholders, you could be looking at macro impact assessments. I think, it identifies managing difficult stakeholders, which we often see happening before go live. Where I really see a bit of an issue is on the training side. Already developing a training plan quite early on. We should have the impact assessment ready, understand the actual design, do the impact assessment, then be able to think about training needs. So I think there are some points that are a bit out of sequence here. I like though it did catch, although we said earlier we hadn't factored in the sustenance period. It already assumed that there would be a sustenance period. So you see transition to BAU from W13 onward. You also see lessons learned being called out, achievements, etc. But look and feel wise, I probably wouldn't use it.
Yeah.
I would maybe just revert back to the earlier ChatGPT screen, pull out some of the deliverables and just overlay it onto PowerPoint.
No.
How do you feel?
Yeah, actually, I wouldn't. Yeah, I couldn't use a document like this. Actually, the Excel document. So to conclude this video, plan on a page. Was this a yay or a nay?
It's somewhere in between. I would take the ChatGPT screen. I would look at the key bullet points and I would just overlay it onto my plan on a page template.
Yeah.
And hope for a bit of a better release in the future, or a better solution potentially that is out there already.
Yeah, and I mean this just confirms that we still need consultants. So
yes, we're still hired for the next day. Until then.
Until then.
Take care.
Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye. This is a mess.
Mm-hmm.